Hey guys, welcome back to the Luxury for Princess channel. My name is Stephanie and I'm here to talk to you guys today about the Luxury for Princess Luxury Flat Iron. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to smooth your hair with the Luxury Flat Iron, obviously, but I'm also going to show you two different ways you can curl your hair using the Luxury for Princess Flat Iron. To get started, I'm just going to turn on my Luxury Flat Iron. It's a center button right here in the middle. Push and hold that until you see the digital dial light up, and then you can change the temperature by using the up or down arrows. So the temperature range on the flat iron is 80 to 230 degrees Celsius or 250 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't need that much heat on my hair, so I'm going to set it somewhere right in the middle at about 300. One of my absolute favorite features about the flat iron is how fast it heats up. This actually goes to full heat, which is 450 Fahrenheit or 230 Celsius like we talked about earlier, in 8 to 10 seconds. Since I already have naturally straight hair, I'm actually going to show you guys two different ways you can curl your hair using a straightening iron. The first thing we're going to do, I'm just going to take a 1 to 2 inch section. It really depends on how thick and coarse your hair is. The thicker or coarser your hair is, the smaller the sections you're going to want to take because they're going to be more heat resistant. But I have pretty fine hair. I'm going to take a small section, taking my smoothing iron. Now this is the way most of us know how to curl our hair with a smoothing iron. We're going to place the section between the plates, go as far up to the root as you can without actually touching your scalp, clamp, turn, and you're just going to make a full circle so that the hair is coming over the top and between the plates. Hold the hair in place and slowly just glide down your hair. And you're left with really beautiful, bouncy, soft curls. This is one of my favorite curling methods. I think it looks really natural, full and beautiful, and it lasts forever. So you're gonna grab another 1 to 2 inch section from your hair, and the second way you can curl your hair using a flat iron, I like to call the rocker wave. Now, depending on what styling products you use is how your overall result is gonna be. So you can either get really beachy kind of full waves, or if you use more smoothing products with this, you're going to get a very retro Hollywood look. But today I'm just going to show you the technique. So you're going to grab your smoothing iron again, starting at the root as close to your scalp as you can get without getting too close. You're going to clamp down that iron, and all you're going to do is move it in increments of about an inch. So you're going to pull the iron down a little bit, turning in towards your head. Then you're going to pull, turning out away from your face. And you're just going to keep doing that, going in and out. In and out. This is a beautiful wave. It's very easy to achieve. And with this personal technique, if you just want really kind of beautiful volume, you can use larger sections. And those are two different techniques you can use to curl your hair with a flat iron. Now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to smooth these curls out using my Luxury for Princess flat iron. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but my hair is starting to develop a little bit more shine than before I even smoothed it out. And that's because the Luxury for Princess flat iron has 100% titanium plates. These radiate negative ions, and negative ions close down your hair follicle, and that's what produces that kind of shine to your hair. So the flat iron also has 1 1/4 inch plates on it. That basically means that the plates are wide enough that you can smooth your hair out quickly. You can do larger sections at a time and get your hair done quickly, but at the same time, it's narrow enough that you can use this to curl your hair like I demonstrated for you guys earlier. So another feature that we kind of talked about earlier is the temperature gauge. So this has a digital readout on it as opposed to kind of an on-off switch. A lot of higher end luxury flat irons only have a high, off, or low option. With this one, you're actually getting to pick the exact temperature you want to use. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see a hair tutorial using either of the curling demonstrations I did for you earlier. I would love to do that for you. Otherwise, any information will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!